friends, I am Rajesh, back with another episode from AHR Tales, a magnificent construction जिसके बारे में हम आज बात करने जा रहे हैं, विजिट करने जा रहे हैं। ये छत्रपति शिवाजी महाराज कुर्ते आइलैंड्स में है, मालवन कोस्ट में, और वन ऑफ द एंशिएंट फोर्ट्रेसेस in India. Historical fort that occupies an island in the Arabian Sea. This place is around half a kilometer from our place of stay, and Mumbai से 493 किलोमीटर है, from Pune 338 किलोमीटर. Yes, we are talking about Sindhudurg Fort. This is the jetty point from where we have to go to Sindhudurg Fort. यहाँ पे कुछ शॉप्स हैं जहाँ पे बेसिक शॉपिंग कर सकते हैं. इसे मालवन जेट्टी भी कहते हैं. मालवन जेट्टी is laid with beautiful lamps. You can see them. Just imagine evening में कितना सुंदर होता होगा ये लैम्प्स जब ये लाइट पर अप हो जाते हैं. Take the boat to the fort. We have to get the tickets at the jetty itself, which is around 90 rupees per head. We checked out the last ferry that will take you to the fort is around 5:30 PM. तो आपको अराउंड करीब 5 बजे तक, 5:15 बजे तक पहुंच जाना पड़ेगा. And the whole time that's taken the fort is roughly around an hour. And we can come back by the same boat or the boat that is available. We are waiting here to go to the fort while the boats are getting ready. इस बोट में हम जाने वाले हैं. Boat is actually getting ready for more passengers to come. And that's the Malvan beach. Finally, we have boarded the boat. The capacity of the boat is around 30 to 40 passengers. कभी कभी इससे ज़्यादा भी ऊपर ले जाते हैं सीजन के हिसाब से. And it takes around 10 minutes to reach the fort. We have started to see the fort. So beautiful. Sky is clean. Amazing view. Reaching the island, we found the water very clean. In fact, we could see the rocks very clearly down below. Very clean water. And an amazing view. This fort was built by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj on the shore of Malvan town of Sindhudurg district in the Konkan region. The main objective was to counter the rising influence of foreign, the English, the Dutch, the French, the Portuguese merchants, and to curb the rise of Siddhis of Janjira. कहते कि ये फोर्ट काफ़ी बैटल्स को फेस किए एंड काफ़ी टाइम तक मराठास के पास रहे, बट लेटर ऑन it was recaptured by Britishers. At present, the fort is under the care of the Archaeological Survey Department of India. It's built over a period of 3 years. Lead were used in the casting and the foundation stones were firmly laid down. ये जो wall दिख रहा है ये 30 feet in height है and were designed to serve as a deterrent to approaching enemies and to the waves and tides of the Arabian Sea. आप देख रहे हैं कंसील्ड है, ये मेन एंट्रेंस से कंसील्ड है एंड इस थिक है. हाई वॉल्स वर एक्चुअली बिल्ट इन सच अ वे दैट बोथ द सी एंड द इन्वेडर्स वर नॉट एबल टू ब्रीच देम. हनुमान जी की मंदिर है. श्री दक्षिणमुखी हनुमान टेम्पल, and you can find some remains of the cannon. We've reached the Shiv Rajeshwar temple. It's dedicated to Shivaji Maharaj and it was built by his son Raja Ram Maharaj. Incidentally, उस टाइम हम जब पहुंचे कुछ कंस्ट्रक्शन एक्टिविटी चल रहा था, तो इसलिए हम एंट्रेंस से नहीं घुस पाए, फ्रंट एंट्रेंस से. वी हैव टू टेक द राइट साइड ऑफ द टेम्पल. द टेम्पल हैज शिवाजी's idol, a golden crown weighing 1.5 kg, and the sword used by him. This is a museum. We finally reached Mahadev temple. It's a beautiful temple. It has Shiv Ling inside. You have to go a little bit down to have a view of the Shiv Ling. From there, we moved forward and we found water tanks built by Shivaji. Said that there are 3 wells of sweet water named Dudh Bhav, that is milk well, Dahi Bhav, that is curd well, and Shakar Bhav, that is sugar well. It's actually a wonder to have sweet water on an island surrounded by the salty sea. Surprisingly, these are the only 3 places where sweet water is still available, and the local people who stay here get their water from here. We reached the old remains of a watchtower. From the watchtower, we could see the whole of the Arabian Sea and different watchtowers. You could see the Rani Javela, one side, there it is. It's a small beach. Here the flag was hoisted. Ranichi Vela is a small beach that came out of the fort through a small door. The door is constructed in the western rampart part and might have been used as a secret door. Here you could find the right side. Beautiful fort. Speaking to the Panditji of Bal Rajeshwar temple, he told me the number of permanent residents living in the fort has been in decline. Most residents have moved out due to the inadequate employment opportunities, but some families still remain. The fort is closed for tourists during the rainy season due to high tides. Even today, there are at least 15 to 20 families that still live in the fort. Hope you enjoyed our visit to this fort of Paukhan. If you have liked what we have experienced, do share, like, and subscribe, and not to miss the bell icon so that you get all our latest experiences. This is Rajesh from EHR Tales signing off and promise to come back with some great treats for your mind and soul in our next episode. Till then, stay fit, healthy, and happy. Take care. Bye.